Leaders at the G20 summit this weekend are tackling the ever-increasing problem of corporate tax avoidance, calling for companies like Starbucks to start paying a higher share.
A report by the OECD found that multinational companies were managing to avoid paying tax altogether by taking advantage of different countries' rules.
The UK, France and Germany are the main countries pushing for changes, with the finance minister of France saying his country is strongly determined to fight against tax fraud, tax avoidance and tax evasion. We must avoid situations in which some companies use international and domestic law to be taxed nowhere. So how exactly do companies like Starbucks, Amazon, Google or Facebook pay lower taxes or, in some cases, avoid income tax altogether? Sky News helps explain.
It's called transfer pricing. It's where effectively you take chunks of your sales in one country and use some accounting practices to declare them in another country, a lower tax jurisdiction. Thing is, it's perfectly legal within international law.
In a report released last year by the Green Lining Institute, they highlighted 30 major companies to further illustrate the effect corporate tax reduction has on the U.S. economy. For example, the 30 companies have a combined $430 billion currently offshore, which translates to $52 billion in U.S. tax revenue that can't be collected. Britain's finance minister said he doesn't want to discourage investment and business growth in his country. He simply wants a level playing field.
We all want international businesses located in our countries and doing business in our countries and employing people in our countries, but we do want businesses to pay the taxes that we set in our countries.
Starbucks in particular came under fire in Britain last year after a report revealed it paid only $13.3 million in taxes since 1998. The public outcry resulted in the company agreeing to pay an additional $16 million per year above what is legally required. Another major U.S. player that has come under scrutiny recently is GE, which in 2010 made $5.1 billion in profit and paid zero in income tax through completely legal means. For Newsy, I'm Candice Avilés.